The World Trade Center is located at Lower Manhattan. The Oculus. The New World Trade Center is a 16-acre mixed-use environment composed of 5 office towers, one 8-acre memorial plaza, and over 500,000 square feet of shopping and dining. The transportation hub makes it one of the most convenient places to access the city. The New World Trade Center is composed for the transfer hub, the train station, which is known as the Oculus, the 9/11 Memorial, where you can find the memorial pools, the 9/11 Museum, the World Trade Center 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 7 buildings, which are office towers. The site is bounded by Vesey Street to the north, the West Side Highway to the west, Liberty Street to the south, and Church Street to the east. The Oculus is a very unique and somewhat eccentric looking transportation hub. It has like wings. The inside is covered in pure white Italian marble and lined with shops from the front end to back. New train station in the shopping mall. It was rebuilt all parts of the subway station. Let's ask them. Around the World Trade Center, you will find these unique statues of different kind of animals where many children like to play and people just like to take pictures. This is the One World Tower, which is one of the highest right now in New York, and it has an observatory at the top, which you can have a 360-degree view of the city. So we are at the World War Center, and that's the Oculus. You can find the Oculus here. Right next to it is the 9/11 Memorial Museum and the memorial pools. They have two, north and south. The north one is over here and the south one is over there. And they have also a memorial glade. There is a map here. While I was visiting, I realized that there were many people from all around the world. You could hear different languages like French, Italian, Spanish, of course, Portuguese, many different languages from all around the world. Everywhere. Just driving here, I heard so many languages. Like Italian, French, Indian, Spanish, of course English. There's a lot of people. Wow. Is that yours? Okay. No, you don't put trash there. If you see a white rose, it usually means that today would have been this person's birthday. And sometimes you will find other type of flower like this one. Usually are family members that come to pray for this, for them. It is a beautiful summer day here in the World Trade Center. Hundreds of people visit this place. So this is a south pool, and the north pool on the other side. So that's a south pool. Right next to it, it is a survival tree. Survivor tree. This Callery pear tree stands distinct from the hundreds of swamp white oak trees on the memorial. It was discovered in the wreckage of the 9/11 attacks. Its bark charred from fires at the site and many of its limbs reduced to stumps. Yet, somehow, the tree is still bearing leaves, show signs of life. Recovery workers transported the tree to a nursery in the Bronx to be cared for by the New York City Department of Parks and Recreation. With carefully tending, the stumps of burn gave growth to longer and smoother branches. Replanted at the 9/11 memorial in December 2010, this survivor tree burst into magnificent blossom each spring, embodying a living symbol of resilience. You can see the difference. These are the burned stumps that it was found, and they have other ones are new over there that are smooth. Those are the new ones that they grew all this year. Upstairs there is an observatory that you can see 360-degree view. One world. This is the North Pole that represents tower number 1, which was the North Tower. And the museum is over there. If you're in New York, I will recommend you to visit this area and pay your respect to the victims of the attack of 9/11. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.